I'm just gonna call a spade and admit that I hate adding voiceover in the Instagram app. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to add voiceover to your short form videos. So first things first, we're gonna start a new project in CapCut and import our footage. So the clip I'm working with today is a screen recording, and I'm going to add voiceover to create a tutorial. When I was recording my screen, it also recorded the audio, and because I'm adding voiceover, I don't want any original audio included in that clip. So my first step is going to be to bring the audio level on that original clip down to 0. I'm going to do this by highlighting the clip, scrolling across to volume, and bringing that down to 0. So now we are ready to add our voiceover. I've written my script down in my notebook so that I'm gonna be really confident when I'm doing the voiceover that I know exactly what I need to say. To add the voiceover, you actually need to make sure that no clips are selected. So right now I've got this clip selected and I'm just going to press the back button. So now I'm back to the main screen with all of the features. And on the main screen, you're going to see the second button across says audio. So you're going to click on audio, and here you have a couple of different options, and we are looking for voiceover. So whenever you're adding your voiceover, you actually need to hold down the button the whole time you're recording. You want to see my secret trick for adding voiceover? It's this. I'm in a room that's a little bit echoey, which doesn't sound great for audio. So to help the situation, I'm going to put a blanket over my head while I'm recording the voiceover, and that's just going to help to muffle any of the echo. Here we go. I've got my notebook, I've got my phone, I've got my blanket. Let's do this thing. Quick disclaimer, I'm not using a microphone for voiceover on my CapCut video because I'm using my microphone in this video. But if you did have a microphone that you could use on your mobile phone for the voiceover, it would be a lot better. But by using my fancy blanket trick, that's going to help your audio if you are just recording using your regular phone microphone. Not a very good take, so I'm going to try again. Take your screenshot, then select the picture. I'm using the red marker, and as you can see, I'm not very good at drawing. The trick. I'm done that. So the nice thing about editing the voiceover in CapCut is that you can actually trim out the clips that don't sound that great, and we can delete any dead space. Whenever you add your voiceover in Instagram, it doesn't have these same editing capabilities. You would have to add different voiceover clips each time. You'd have to make sure that you were really smooth and didn't have any dead space and all these little things like that. So we're going to listen to it back. Straight away, this is something that is a pet peeve of mine, and I do it all of the time when I start talking, which I didn't realize, and I've noticed a lot of my clients do this as well. But whenever you're starting a sentence, you do make this little smacking sound whenever you're opening your mouth. So for this, I'm going, you can hear it, and it's really unattractive, especially whenever you're doing voiceover. You don't want the first sound that somebody hears when you're doing your voiceover to be a you want it to be a nice smooth voice. So you can actually see on CapCut that this is the part here where that little dot is. That's where I'm making that really annoying sound. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to trim that off until you see these bigger wavelengths. Because I'm using a script and I'm just talking, I'm not watching the video, what I'm saying isn't really lining up with things. Because we're using CapCut, I can actually cut that audio clip in half and drag it to where I need it to be so that it perfectly lines up with the video. So I'm going to split it here and drag this bit over a little bit. The trick here to make sure that your audio is good is to make sure that you trim out the dead air and any annoying sounds. Once you finish adding your audio, press the arrow on the top right-hand side to export your video, and now it's ready for you to use on Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, or all of the above. I hope this tip helps you out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.